everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this fun and festive 4th of July makeup look. It is sure to wow everyone at the barbecue and the fireworks. I will list all the brushes and makeup products that I use in the description box below. And remember, you don't have to have the exact same products I use to recreate this look. You can use whatever you have in your collection that is similar. So have fun on your 4th of July. First, I'm priming my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the color Eden. This will create a nice blank canvas for the rest of our eyeshadows to go on and make it last all day long. I'm blending in the primer with a Sephora small dome brush. Now I'm going into the eyeshadow WOS from the Naked Basics 2 palette and placing it all over the eyelid to set our primer. I'm using the Sigma E60 large shader brush. Since we're doing a cut crease, I'm placing a piece of tape in the outer corner of my crease as a guideline. Then we're taking the eyeshadow Faint from the Urban Decay Naked Basics 2 palette and using it as our transition shade. I'm placing the eyeshadow right above the crease and blending it back and forth, building up the color and using the tape as a guideline. To start the cut crease, I first took the eyeshadow Venetian Red from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette with my Sigma E26 brush. I placed the eyeshadow right in my crease and extended it outwards to create a cat eye look. Next, I took the Sigma E25 brush and kept building up the red color until I had the desired effect. It's going to get a little bit messy, but it's okay, we'll clean it up later. Now I'm removing the tape. In order to create the illusion of a cut crease, you need to lay down a light colored base all over the lid. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden with the Luxie Concealer Brush. I'm sweeping on the primer all over the lid, making sure not to go above the crease. Now we're going back into that Venetian Red eyeshadow from the Renaissance palette and redefining the cut crease, making sure there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going back into the eyeshadow primer with the Luxie Concealer Brush to clean up that cut crease even further. Now I'm taking a wet makeup wipe and cleaning up all the fallout from the eyeshadows. I'm also trying to create a sharp line from the outer corner of my eye upwards. Then I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the color Blaquer to tightline my upper lash line. Next, I'm taking the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Eyeliner to create a small, thin cat wing. Taking the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liquid Eyeliner in the color Chaos to trace above the black liner. This is a vibrant electric cobalt blue, which is perfect for the 4th of July. In the spirit of incorporating the iconic red, white, and blue colors, I took a combination of two Sephora white liquid eyeliners to trace above the blue eyeliner. And of course, no 4th of July look is complete without a little bit of glitter to mimic the stars on our national flag. I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the color Diamond Dust. And I'm placing it all over the lid, right between the red cut crease and the white eyeliner. Then I'm coating my lashes with the Benefit Rollerlash mascara. This bold look calls for some flirty lashes, so I'm using the Baddington Monroe silk lashes that I received in my BoxyCharm this month. I'm using tweezers to try to place them as close to my natural lashes as possible. Make sure that you let the glue get tacky and set on the lashes for at least 30 seconds before placing them on. Next, I'm using the Anastasia a Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color medium brown to fill in my eyebrows. Now we're taking the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the color Out of the Blue and placing it on our waterline. These waterproof eyeliners are amazing. They stay put and don't budge. Next, we're taking my handy dandy Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara to coat my bottom lashes. That just gave me a flashback to Blue's Clues. You guys remember the handy dandy notebook? All the nostalgia of being a child in the 90s. You can never have enough glitter, right? So I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the color Perlina to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now we're moving on to foundation. And yep, you guessed it, I'm using the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the color Warm Ivory. I swear, I use this foundation in almost all of my videos. I can't help it, it's my favorite. I'm setting my whole face with the IT Cosmetics Powder Celebration Foundation in the color Medium. I'm applying it with the Sigma F20 large powder brush. Since my eyes and lips are so bold, I wanted to go with a neutral blush. I'm using the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in the color Video. And now onto the best part, highlighter. I chose a Jouer powder highlighter in the color Citrine. I'm using the Sigma F03 high cheekbone highlighter brush to apply the highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Just make sure you don't put too much on your cupid's bow or you'll look like you have a sweaty mustache. Last but not least is lips. I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Extra Saucy which is this beautiful deep blue red color that will give me that classic look. Blipper and to be like, God, feels like glitter just exploding on my face. Look at that. Look at that shit. Glowing like Edward Collins in Twilight. Oh God. Oh God, why is this so itchy? Okay, got it. Oh my God, it's rolling.
That's creepy.
What was that?
I don't know, that's creepy.
It's creepy.
Nothing. One break.
You know what? I just drank from the bottle. Why not? It's only a little bit left.